Good evening, class. Here I have my home page, which is titled Kirk's Barbecue. As you can see, this is the home page. So on the left side is with the logo with the titles of Kirk's Barbecue, and on the right side I have the display of the manual of the header of the home about us and menu. Included at the bottom of the header is the search bar menu. As you can see, as though me and Dr. Grant taught to trying to figure out my CSS, as you can type into the search bar, it does not show what you are typing, but if you press enter, it does take you to Google, as what I linked it to as well. Here at the bottom, I include a slideshow with pictures within a business. Again, it just simply specifies what barbecue is the best for the few tastes of being so delicious. At the bottom, you can see is the footer within the copyright of my name and a year with the social media page that is attached. Continue on is the about us page with the titles of within the bottom is location, history, and contact us. As you can see within the location, I removed the slideshow just so it could be more simplified as seeing the map. I still have the content that's on the first page without the slideshow. Continuing on is the history. Basically, it's the history of how basically Kirk's Barbecue got started with the wife and the husband that you will see that created this business. As you see at the bottom, is entitled How the Business Got Created. And then as you see in the footer, it still contains what I have for my homepage. For Contact Us, basically I included back into the slideshow with different pictures, including how the owner is here cooking on the grill, as well as you can see with the location of the flyer. And then at the bottom you can see the contacts of barbecue, specifying just a design and showing in words how you can contact them easy if you do not want to go through the slideshow. And then at the footer it's the same as well. Then on the next thing is the menu. Basically, it entitles what is included, what do they have within store that you would like to enjoy within the ribs and everything. Another thing, if you have any parties or either of that sort, you can have catering. So here's just the prices within a slideshow. So that's a slideshow, different picture that verifies and displays how the website is shown. The curse menu basically, as you can see, entitles how the prices ranges within sizes of different orders that you order, and at the bottom it just say how dinner start off within the barbecue section as well. Well, thank you, class. This continues my bootstrap of Kirk's Barbecue of my website that I created. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy.